Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot brand kits for marketing assets, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure HubSpot brand kits for your marketing assets, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the main dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select the Files and Templates option. Click on Design Tools. In the left sidebar, find and select Brand Kits. To create a new brand kit, click the Create Brand Kit button. Enter a name for your brand kit that reflects your brand identity. Next, upload your logo by clicking the Upload Logo button. Choose a high-resolution file to ensure clear visibility across various assets. Select your brand colors by clicking on the color palette icon. You can enter hex codes or choose colors using the Color Picker tool. Upload any font files you wish to include in your brand kit. Make sure the font files are compatible with HubSpot's requirements. Set the default font styles for headings and body text. This will help maintain consistency in your marketing materials. After customizing your brand visuals, click Save to finalize your brand kit. You can create multiple brand kits for different campaigns or divisions. To apply a brand kit to your marketing assets, start by selecting the asset you wish to edit. Open the editing interface for that asset. Find the Brand Kit drop-down menu within the settings. Select the appropriate brand kit from the list. Review the applied branding elements to ensure they align with your guidelines. Make any necessary adjustments to colors, fonts, or logos as needed. Once satisfied, save your changes to finalize the asset. Repeat this process for all marketing materials where branding consistency is required. Regularly review and update your brand kits to reflect changes in your branding strategy. Utilizing brand kits in HubSpot simplifies the process of maintaining a cohesive brand identity across all marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.